In this video we are going to review U-Taste Silicone Spatula Set. This one of the most popular and best spatula set you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. So, let's talk about U-Taste Silicone Spatula Set. The silicone spatula sets include all the components you'd require for your baking tasks. The set is comprised of the largest spatula, a miniature spatula and a spoon spatula and a jar spatula that doubles as a tool to spread frosting. The stain-proof design of one piece makes spatulas easy to wash, and they come in a variety of 5 colors. They're heat-resistant to 600 degrees, meaning it's safe to use in any bakeware or oven. For details, let's watch more.